Hey friend, how are you today? I hope you're having a great day so far. I have been dying to do this video, but I just now decided to put makeup on, and I wanted to put makeup on before I did the video. But I have an unboxing, a wig unboxing for you, and I have 3 wigs that I purchased from Paula Young. They were recently having a sale. I believe it was like 30% off. I want to say the Whisper Light collection, and so I got 3, and I'm really excited to see what they look like, especially because I think a couple of the colors I haven't had yet. So I'm really looking forward to this unboxing. If you haven't purchased from Paula Young, this is kind of what it will look like. There are 3 in there, I promise. I'm gonna have to like dump it out because they're pretty stuffed. In the box, they also put some sales ad type deals and then also a book. I'm not gonna try these on today, but if you wanna see a review on a specific one, let me know. I will definitely try to work my way through them. I do have several wigs that I need to review, but if you wanna see one super quick, let me know so I can do that for you. This one is the Peyton, and it's the 82488S4. So that's a long name. I don't remember the color name. Let me look it up. Okay, I was really excited to see what this color is because this is the caramel bourbon color, and it looks really pretty. If you've never purchased a Paula Young wig, the boxes open like that. So like a little cake box maybe. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Ooh, definitely some highlights going on here. So that's what it looks like in the box. It also comes with a little wig cap, which is, you know, a wig liner, which is always good to have. This is a long style. So here it is. I'm not sure I can get it all in the shot. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at this. Wow. It's a basic cap, and it has beautiful highlights at the front. Oh gosh, I might have to go ahead and do a review because this is pretty. You don't see a ton of really long styles from Paula Young. They tend to do shoulder up length. They do have some long styles. I'm not saying that they don't, but most of their styles are, you know, shoulder and above. So to see this, I think this is just so pretty. Might have I don't know, maybe a little bit of box hair. Some hair's coming out there. I can see a little bit of box hair there, but I'm gonna leave this on a wig stand and just kind of let it settle a little bit and see if that helps it. But oh my gosh, isn't that so pretty? Beautiful summer color. Okay, so that was Peyton. Next I have Haley, and this is in the color 4. I wasn't sure that I really wanted to go that dark. I'm kind of moving a little lighter as time goes on. I really wanted to try the style, but I didn't really want to try any of the other colors. So I went ahead and went with the 4, but we'll see. I might really like it. So this is how it comes. It's actually a really pretty color. I don't know that I've had a 4 from Paula Young before. Oh, I forgot. This one has a little lace front. It's not a really long one. It's just kind of, yeah, temple to temple, definitely not ear to ear. But this is a pretty color. Very pretty color. I would say it's, I don't think it's too warm of a color, but that's really pretty. So this is kind of just your everyday bob style, I would say. So that lace front, but a closed cap there, or closed top. Yeah, that's cute. I like that. Yeah, I'm definitely excited to see what this is gonna look like on, and I really like that it has that little lace front there too. Last one, this is Mariah, and this is in the color 30. So this is like an auburn color. The 30 is called medium auburn. I just looked it up. And the 4 is called dark brown. So they don't have any fancy color names. Well, not sure about this one right out of the box here. It is bright. Woo-wee. Okay, got some box hair going on there, definitely. Looks a little Looks a little frizzy. The other curls are pretty, and this one is definitely shedding a lot. Can you see all that? One of my all-time favorite colors is actually from Paula Young, and it's called Flame Rooted. I believe it's 3324 number 4, if I'm not mistaken. I have several videos where I have worn a wig, the Deidre wig that I absolutely love, and it's in that color. So I thought, you know what, this is a 30. That's a 3324-4. I know that it doesn't have a root, but I definitely wasn't expecting it to be quite this color. I'm not sure that this is gonna look great on me. Now, just looking at the actual style, I think it's cute. There are it's a little fringe there. It's a basic cap. And I've never had a cap this color because I don't think I've ever had a wig this color. Just looking at it, it's really cute. I mean, it's a cute wig. It's very light. It's one of their Whisper Light ones. But yeah, I don't know. And like I said, it shed, holy moly, it's still shedding. Yeah, it shed a ton, but I am excited to see what it looks like. I mean, it might surprise me. Maybe I can change my brows a little bit and pull it off. Maybe, we'll see. All right, friends, so that's my unboxing for Paula Young. Let me know if you want to see any of these reviewed really quickly, and I will try to do that for you. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.